Do you own a Facebook page you no longer use? Leaving it online can risk your privacy, confuse followers, keep your digital footprint messy. In this video, I'll show you the exact 2026 method to permanently delete or unpublish your Facebook page safely. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn casual Facebook users into smart digital managers. Deleting or unpublishing a page seems simple, but Facebook hides the proper steps. Follow this tutorial to securely remove your page, protect your privacy, and manage your digital presence like a pro. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu's three-dot icon. Scroll down and tap Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Choose the Facebook page you want to delete or unpublish. Open that page. Step 3. Open Page Settings. Tap the Page menu, three-dot icon. Go to Settings and Privacy, Settings. Step 4. Access your information. Scroll down and tap Your information. Then press Access and Control. This is where Facebook lets you manage page status, deletion, or unpublishing. Before we start, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for Facebook tutorials, social media growth hacks, and privacy and account protection guides. And stay ahead of 2026 Facebook updates. Step-by-step guide. Step 5. Unpublished page. Tap on Unpublished page. Press Continue. Facebook will ask for final confirmation. Step 6. Confirm action. Press Confirm. Boom! Your Facebook page is now unpublished. Note: when a page is unpublished, it is hidden from the public, but you can still manage it privately. This is a safer option if you're not ready to permanently delete your page. Pro tips: download all important content, posts, videos, photos before unpublishing. Unpublishing is reversible. You can republish anytime. Use this method if you want to take a break from Facebook or prepare for permanent deletion. Now you know how to safely unpublish or prepare your Facebook page for deletion in 2026. Remember, managing your pages is about control, privacy, and professionalism. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, share with friends and fellow page owners. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here we don't just teach Facebook, we empower creators to take full control.